If I ask you one thing that you want the most in your life, and if you answer it thoughtfully, most of you shall answer time. टाइम एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको शायद हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लेना चाहते हैं, लेकिन टाइम ही शायद एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम बिल्कुल वर्स्ट तरीके से यूज करते हैं. Hello friends, my name is Anchit Garg. I am co-founder of EduTap. In this video, I shall be talking about what could be a winning routine for all the working aspirants to be more productive, to be more efficient. So what I have done is I have broken down your daily time into 3 time blocks. First is 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Second is 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. That is the time you shall be investing for your office activities and other daily chores. And last is 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Now these are the blocks, right? These are the blocks where you shall be working for your dreams, chase your dreams. This is the time where you will be working for somebody else, not for your dreams. Wake up early at 5:30 a.m. In the morning, you will have less distractions. You could have better productivity. क्या उठने के बाद एकदम पढ़ना शुरू कर दें? बिल्कुल नहीं. Science says our body gets hydrated when we sleep. हमारा ब्रेन में पानी कम हो जाता है, right? 70% of our body is brain. तो इमीडिएटली उठने के बाद अपने ब्रेन को हाइड्रेट कीजिए. ड्रिंक 1 or 2 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड फील एनर्जेटिक. देन डू एन इंटेंस एक्सरसाइज फॉर 10 minutes. इंटेंस एक्सरसाइज डजंट मीन हेयर के जिम वगैरह जाना है, हमें बड़े बड़े डंबल उठाना है, बट डू सम गुड अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग सो दैट एनी क्रैम्प्स, एनी पेन इन योर बॉडी जस्ट ब्लोज अवे. देन स्टार्ट स्टडिंग एट 6 a.m. राइट. ये आपका पहला शिफ्ट होगा फ्रॉम 6 a.m. till 8:30 a.m. एंड सेट योर डेज टारगेट. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एट 6 a.m. आप 2-3 टारगेट लिखिए दिन पर एक पेपर पर. दिन के एंड में उन पे टिक लगाइए. इट विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन दैट व्हाट यू डिसाइडेड टू डू यू हैव डन इट. सो प्लानिंग बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? एंड दिस कैन बी कस्टमाइज्ड. इफ योर ऑफिस स्टार्ट्स एट 10 and if your office is nearby you can read till 9:15, right? That depends. So every individual is a unique individual and that is what makes you beautiful. तो इस प्लान को कस्टमाइज जरूर कीजिए, राइट? इट माइट नॉट बी एप्लीकेबल टू एवरीबॉडी बट यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ डायरेक्शन as in how to proceed to have a good routine. Then follow this rule 50-10 or 55-05. What does this means? आप 50 मिनट पढ़कर 10 मिनट की ब्रेक लीजिए, या फिर if you have good stamina you read for 55 minutes and take a break for 5 minutes. देखिए, जब हम बहुत ज्यादा देर तक पढ़ते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे माइंड में it gets exhausted. So we need rest. Mind needs rest. So you need to give your mind rest at regular intervals so that you can have the same energy throughout the day. तो ये रूल फॉलो कीजिए. जो लोग ज्यादा स्टैमिना रखते हैं they can have 55:05, 55 minutes study, 5 minutes rest. During rest you can just lay down, you can listen to some music for 5 minutes or you can just walk around for 5 minutes. Do anything, but don't think about what you are studying. Rest means mind needs rest. Then comes the next block, 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. So basically you get ready for your office. You go to work. If you travel to your workplace, you have time during the travel. You can practice some quizzes. I think during the travel, you can do some easy things, practice quizzes or maybe read some editorials. Do these kind of things. Do not do some heavy things which require a lot of attention or lot of concepts to be understand that cannot be done during traveling. Then obviously, आप ऑफिस में काम करेंगे, घर वापस आएंगे. I'm assuming that you are back by 6:15. Lot of the aspirants are working in the banking sector. They might get late, but then what I want to say is that some of the times what I see aspirants are trying to have best of both the worlds. They want to perform good in office, at the same time they want to chase their dream job. It's very difficult to achieve both the objectives, right? Do your work in office, but do not try to be the best among your peers in the office. Then do not dream about your dream job. राइट. तो जल्दी घर आने की कोशिश कीजिए अपना काम खत्म करके. आई मीन टिल दैट एक्सटेंट दैट यू कैन सर्वाइव इन योर जॉब. देन आफ्टर कमिंग होम the worst thing you can do is start reading immediately. Don't do that. You are exhausted, your mind is involved somewhere else in the office activity, somebody has told you something, you are thinking about that. So the best thing to come and do at your home is to have a nap, power nap for 20 minutes. Power naps are very efficient. They can help you relax your mind. They can feel you energetic. Once again, you will feel like now a new day has started for you. Right? And take a power nap in a dark room. सारी lights वगैरह बंद कर दीजिए, बिल्कुल dark में power nap लीजिए. It will help you rejuvenate. I mean, immensely. Just try that. And after you take a power nap, again, do not do a mistake कि immediately पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. Go for a walk for 10-15 minutes again to get the hang that you are fresh and you can study now. Then comes the next period, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Study from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Right? This 1.5 hour shift can be really productive like your morning shift because you are fresh now. Right? Then from 8:30 to 9:30 you can have healthy dinner. Right? The keyword here is healthy. अब ये नहीं है कि हमने बहुत हैवी खाना खा लिया और खाना खाते ही वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग स्लीपी. राइट? हेल्दी खाइए जिससे आपकी बॉडी को पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मिले एंड यू डू नॉट फील स्लीपी इवन आफ्टर योर डिनर. ठीक है? तो बिटवीन 8:30 to 9:30 हैव अ हेल्दी फूड एंड स्पेंड टाइम विद योर फैमिली. राइट? whosoever is, if you're living with your friends, talk to your friends. Socializing is important. If you have a family, like you have a wife or a kids, do spend time with them. They need your attention, right? And it will give you a lot of motivation. It will take stress out of your life when you interact with your friends or your family. So this is very, very important. Do not neglect that. As we say, all studies and no play make Jacks a dull boy. तो हमें सारी चीजें करनी है, सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे नहीं कंसंट्रेट करना है. ठीक है? Then another sitting I would say from 9:30 to 10:15. Right? Here you might not be at your best, so try to read some easy things. Maybe you can read GA, maybe you can do some quizzes, maybe you can read some editorial, or maybe you can do some answer writing practice. This is the best time to do that. Instead, in the morning here, you should be doing some serious conceptual things which requires your mind to be applied or involved in those things. Then between 10:15 to 10:40 revise daily. ठीक है? Whatever you have read in that day, try to have a short revision so that you can retain it for a longer time. So revision बहुत ज़रूरी है. Just keep on adding and reading new things will not help. Revision is very important on continuous basis. ठीक है? And before sleeping, right now at 10:40 be ready to sleep. By 11 you should be sleeping, right? You should be completely sleeping because you have to get up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. तो हमें सोने का डिले नहीं करना है, नहीं तो आपका स्लीप साइकिल खराब हो जाएगा, फिर अगले दिन आप 5:30 नहीं उठ पाएंगे. सोने से पहले प्लीज आप अपनी एक डेली अचीवमेंट को नोट कीजिए, बहुत जरूरी है. ये अचीवमेंट कैन बी एनीथिंग. मे बी यू लर्न अ वन वर्ड ऑफ इंग्लिश फ्रॉम योर डिक्शनरी. Maybe you learned about some life lesson that you have got that day. Maybe you changed your perception towards somebody. Maybe you watched a short motivational video on famous personalities like Muhammad Ali, right? So you can note down your learnings or achievements that day. Try to learn one thing each day at least apart from what you are studying. That will give you a lot of satisfaction. That will give you a sound and a healthy sleep. ठीक है? अपनी अचीवमेंट को नोट्स कीजिए और जो आपने दिन के टारगेट सेट किए थे उनमें जो टारगेट आपके हो गए हैं उन पे टिक लगाइए. जो आप वो टिक लगाएंगे ना डे के एंड में, वो आपको एक अलग ही सेटिस्फेक्शन देगा कि यार मैंने ये सोचा था ये करना है एंड आई हैव डन इट. वो मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल की सेटिस्फेक्शन होती है. दैट स्मॉल टिक, आई मीन देयर इज नो मैच फॉर इट. ठीक है? और 11 बजे आप अपना पूरा सो जाइए गाइज, डिले मत कीजिए क्योंकि इससे आपका स्लीप साइकिल खराब होगा. एंड स्लीप साइकिल खराब हो गया तो अपने रूटीन को आप फॉलो नहीं कर पाएंगे. मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है. राइट? And yes, it would look like you are living a life of a robot, but then once you get habitual to it, you will not find it really complex. You will really start enjoying it. ठीक है? और इसको कस्टमाइज जरूर कीजिए. ठीक है? Uniqueness is something that makes each one of you beautiful. So you need to customize that. People would have different routines, different shifts, but then you can customize that. The idea is to be reading at that point in time when our mind is fresh, when we can be productive to the maximum extent and we have less distractions around. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.